Okay, so to remove the HVAC cable, the first thing you want to do is remove the liner for the glove box. Once that is done, you can see the head of the bolt. That is an 8mm, and it's pretty easy to reach. Once you loosen that, you can take the bolt out. What you want to do is reach in here, get it out of this channel, and then basically just try to push it out of there. So once you start loosening that clip at the end of the pin, you're gonna have to get creative. Maybe reach in there with needle nose pliers and slowly push that retainer, which looks like a star washer, and I'll show you that in a minute. You want to get it out of there so you can reuse it once you install the new cable. So as you can probably see, I have it almost all the way out, and I'm going to try to get my hand in here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film this, but with the needle nose pliers, what I'm doing is I'm slowly, there it goes, just working this up. So now let's see if we can, there we go. So then the cable is free. Now, there may be an easier way to get that thing out of there. I have no idea what that approach would be, but anyway, so this is loose. And next I'm going to get the cable, which is one end is right here. Since the console is out, and fish it out of there. It may be a good idea to remove the center console, but for the most part, if you get your hand in here, you can feel the basically it's going to run through a space in between this duct and the center console, and if you're lucky, it'll come right out. So here it is. I'll put it on the floor. So that is the cable, and this is the end that is broken off. So I'm gonna get a new cable and take care of this issue. And this end, which is a good one, is the one that is the long portion between that and the little adjustment, kind of like a turnbuckle here. And that is the long end, goes in first, comes out through that spot. And again, it's going to take a little bit of messing with it, but I think once you have to have the console out. I mean, there's no way around that one. You can try to push that cable up there and get it to come up, and then you can just follow the same procedure, just it would be in reverse basically. I mean, it's right there. I just can't. I need to put my other hand in there so I can guide it. It is a little bit of a pain in the neck, as you can imagine. Just take your time. Yep, it's up here now. So it doesn't take much to get the new cable into position and reinstall it. Now the tricky part, of course, is going to be getting this little washer started. But once you do, I mean, it won't go anywhere. it should stay in there in place. Cool beans. So let me bring this one out again. And that is that.